Hi guys, welcome back to Chefe's Kitchen. Oh no, Chefe's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making a really, I don't know what, really quick, really comfort food, cheesy, delectable, scrumptious. I told my mom that the food is gonna be ready at 8:30. It is currently 8:20. Let's actually see how quickly. I always say these meals are quick. I always say that. So let's see how quick this meal actually is. So I'm literally about to start. I'm literally making a chicken and mushroom parmesan cheesy sauce to go with some rice. I'm already pre-boiling the rice because time. And I'm literally gonna cut up I bought strip chicken so that I don't have to cut loads. See what that is? That's brains. Chicken and mushroom parmesan creamy sauce, and I'm gonna serve it with rice. Cool? Yep, let's get cooking. What time is it? Oh, it's 8:20. So for ingredients, we have mushrooms, chicken breast mini fillets, spinach, garlic, cream cheese, parmesan, plain flour, double cream. All right, first we're gonna dice our chicken. Actually, no, we're not. We ain't dicing nothing. Put the chicken in the bowl. Would you look at me touching this chicken with me hands? Obviously, I've watched it, guys. If you ain't watching no chicken before, I don't know for you. All right, let's season up our chicken. You can season it however which way you like. This is how I like. Salt and Maggi cube or 2. Time right now is 8:25. It took me 5 minutes to wash the chicken. All-purpose seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, some dried pepper. Listen, you can never go wrong with this combination, I'm telling you. Put on your glove, and then we're just gonna mix that in together. Chicken seasoned. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash and cut some mushrooms. By some, I mean the whole packet. If you don't like mushrooms, then just don't add them. And if you don't like mushrooms, then it won't really be chicken and mushroom, would it? It'll just be chicken and chicken. It's a bit sad. So we're gonna cut off the ends. Don't ask me why I do this. Every time I do it, my mom asks me why. I'm pretty sure in food tech, that's what the lady told me to do. My favorite, Miss Taylor, how I miss you. Apparently it's not necessary, but like this is like the floor of it, like. Ah! And we're done. It is currently 8:35. Okay, literally all my prep over here is done. Now we're gonna go over to the stove. We're gonna use a skillet. We're using a frying pan. Actually, it's not really a skillet, but you know, same thing. We're using a frying pan, and we're gonna first fry up the chicken, then the mushrooms, then we'll make the cheese sauce. Ready, steady, go. Like I said, first we're gonna fry up our chicken. We turn on the flame. Let's throw some oil in there. You know what oil I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use coconut oil instead of the usual sunflower oil, because coconut oil, yeah, is a gift from God. Currently 8:40. Right, oil is hot. Let's throw in our chicken. Alright, then you want to take the chicken out of here and put it to the side. Alright, same oil, same pan, same everything. Let's add our mushrooms and cook until soft. Alright, mushrooms are cooked, chicken is cooked. In the same thing, we're gonna make the cheese sauce, okay? We're gonna add the butter and let that melt. This is about 115 grams of butter. Let's add our garlic. The time is 8:53. Adding our garlic. We do this until it becomes aromatic, yeah? Fragrant, yeah? When it gets like that, then you are ready for the next step. If you can't smell it, you ain't ready. Keep going. But don't burn the garlic. If you just don't have a sensitive nose, then I can't help you. But just don't burn the garlic, please. No one likes burnt garlic. Alright, I can smell the garlic now. I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Sneeze, cough, like there's just a lot going on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a tablespoon of flour. I say a tablespoon, but really it's eyeballing. So we're gonna add a tablespoon to begin with. Add accordingly, okay? Then you wanna mix it until it's thickened. Okay, so we're mixing our flour, thick enough, I believe. The recipe then calls for like chicken broth, but I ain't got none of that. I mixed a Maggi cube in hot water, well 2 Maggi cubes in hot water, and this is my broth. Oh God. And we're gonna keep adding and mixing. It's like the chicken Alfredo all over again. Keep mixing, just keep mixing. Now we're gonna add our double cream. This is 250 milliliters of heavy cream. Actually quite nice. Now we're gonna add Parmesan. Again, I don't know how much here, so just a little bit more. Ah, what the heck. Parmesan is in there. Now we're gonna add garlic powder. I know it sounds like a lot of garlic, but it is. It is. Okay, quick time check. The time is 9:02. Rice is done, by the way. All right, Parmesan is in here. Garlic powder is in here. Let me give it a taste. Don't worry, I'll be honest with you. I actually like this. No, I like this. The heck? Damn. Yep, this is back. This is banging. I'm gonna add some salt to it. Ooh, ciao. I'll try some more of that. Okay, while that's cooking and simmering, I'm gonna add some frozen whole spinach. I'm gonna add about 3. No. Yes, you are eager. 4. As you can tell, Spanish is my first language, so yeah. We're just gonna let that simmer, let the spinach dissolve. I'm serving this over rice, but I low-key wish I was serving it over pasta. I can't get enough of this sauce. Time check, it is 9:05. This is looking like an hour meal. I want it to be quicker than an hour. 59 minutes will do. If you use fresh spinach, you won't have this problem, but I did not, so yeah. Just let that melt, and once it's melted, we will be back. All right, spinach is more or less melted. I'm gonna add the chicken and the mushrooms back to this and let it all simmer for about 2 minutos. There's the chicken, there's the mushrooms. Look how healthy that looks. Okay, the time is 10:09. Quick meal. So by the time your MTM is coming from his accommodation to yours, food can be done. Understand? You gotta pre-plan this stuff. This will separate you from the other uni babes. God, I'm trying to teach you. You ain't trying to listen. Uni man them, hello. You can't be tantalizing your babe with nice meal like so. You know, it's not always every day that you should be eating well. Sometimes she's hungry, you know. Every day McDonald's or KFC or Burger King. Sometimes Parmesan chicken and mushroom sauce. So everybody take note, yeah? Talking. Look will thank me later, I'm telling you. Don't sleep on the job, boo. Don't even take us a Vappiano. Don't forget it. This Chefiano. So if you're doing pasta or spaghetti or linguine or fusilli or macaroni or tortellini or the butterfly pasta, yeah, you can just enter it inside and toss it. Obviously you cook it first, but you just toss it. This is what they do in the Vappiano. This is what they do. So let's go and plate it. Obviously, like I said, we're eating it with rice. I wish we were eating it with pasta now, but we're not, so we move. Okay, by the way, it is 9:15. I finished cooking. I'm just letting everyone know that I finished 1 hour. It hasn't been an hour yet. It's been 45 minutes, so nobody judge me, okay? It's 9:15, okay? Now let's plate. Okay, so there we have our creamy chicken and mushroom Parmesan sauce on top of white rice. Pasta, tortellini, any pasta it will go down with, really go down, but we're eating with rice today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's been today's episode of Chefe's Kitchen. That's been today's episode of Chefe's Kitchen. Creamy chicken and mushroom Parmesan sauce on top of white rice. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something. I hope your man learned something. I hope your daughter learned something. I hope somebody learned something. And if not, I hope you just smiled a little bit. You know, life is too tough. Smile. Give us a smile. And even if you ain't smiling, you're gonna be smiling after you eat this food. So, you know, live it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, sit up straight. Hello, Chefe. What's that? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos, this video, and all the other previous videos. I just like talking to you and I don't want to go, so that's why I'm still here. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was quick. It was 55 minutes, so under an hour. Okay, bye. Oh, remember, eat well, eat healthy, eat right, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, bye.